everybody. This is Expat of the Arena Productions. I want to welcome you in to the last episode of the Expat Files for 2022. So I'm going to do some walking, probably go down towards Yodobashi again, and let's see what we find. Kind of wanted to show you my local station area here. It's pretty much done now, and pretty soon the light rail transit system is going to be operational, probably from this coming August. And so we have like this big shopping plaza and convention center here now, and this is the big hospital that's close to it as well. So yeah, I mean, lots of cool stuff that's just opened up this recent year, and looking forward to shopping over on this this part of the city coming in 2023. All right, it's time to head on into the Yodobashi building and see what's going on. And look at what we have here, a new shop called Trader Factory. So we're gonna go inside and check out what they've got here. So let's go inside. And look at all these Kamen Riders. Kamen Rider is a very popular TV show for kids that's usually shown on the weekends. But look, there's a Kamen Rider missing an arm. Oh well. Yeah. Cool stuff. Power Rangers as well. Ultraman. Cool. Okay, everyone, that's going to do it for another edition of the Expat Files here on the Arena Productions YouTube channel. Hopefully, I'll be able to get out and about a little bit more in 2023, and hopefully get out to Akiba and make some videos out there in Tokyo. So anyway, have a great new year, and I will be seeing you soon. So take care, everyone. Peace out.